In this video, I'll show you 3 of the best free VPN options that frankly, no one else on YouTube seems to be talking about. I'm not gonna bore you with bandwidth limitations or free trials. No, these are all free, unlimited VPNs that give you the most premium features for, well, $0. Gaming VPN. Now, I know what you're thinking, but don't let the name fool you. This is a legitimately good VPN choice. The UI can look a bit daunting at first, but you get lots of features here that you wouldn't normally see in a free VPN. Firstly, you get a lot of locations to choose from, 18 in fact. They even have Australia, so I'm sure you'll be able to find a server close to you. Split tunneling is also included, which is awesome to see, and you get a few settings to play here with as well. Also, you get this tab called Advanced Routes, and boy is it advanced. Basically, you can select specific IPs for the VPN to avoid or be active on. So you could have one browser tab connected to the VPN, but all of the other tabs wouldn't be using the VPN connection. I've never seen such a feature in any other VPN, but I can see it getting popular or someone stealing the idea. What's missing here though is the protocol selector. I'm not even sure what this VPN is using actually. But when I test the speeds, I think it could be WireGuard since it offers truly great speeds comparable to premium VPNs. Now, there is a catch to this VPN. It's in beta right now, and that's why it's free. It seems like only a couple of people are running it, and so far they only have an app for Windows. But they say everything is encrypted, even your logins actually, and the VPN is using RAM-only servers, which is surprising to hear and awesome at the same time. And even though it's in beta right now, I had no problems with the connections or the app itself. Everything seems to be pretty stable, and it's being updated pretty regularly. In the past few months of me trying it out, I had at least 4 or 5 updates, which is quite a lot. You have to get invited to the beta list to use the VPN, but I received my invitation instantly, since I don't think a lot of people are using this VPN so far. Now, the next option is quite a unique one. You can actually make your own VPN for free. No catch. Basically, you can get a free server for life and host your VPN there forever, with no limitations. My friend Emmett from Emmett Reviews has a step-by-step tutorial on his channel showing you how to set one up for yourself. You can check out that video right here if you're interested. Just connect the server address to the OpenVPN app and done. Now you have your own VPN server to yourself, and you can connect unlimited devices to this server. Now, the downside is that you can only have one server location, but when creating a VPN, you can choose between 32 regions. So I'd say pick the closest one to get the best performance. Now, this isn't the fanciest option, and you won't get features like split tunneling or ad blocking, but what it will do is add extra security. The main thing all VPNs advertise is that they give you an extra layer of privacy, and this VPN will do just that. Whether you're in a cafe or browsing at home, your connection will be more secure. And while having only one server to connect to can feel a bit limiting, the upside is that your location will always stay the same, so you won't get bombarded by CAPTCHAs all of the time, and websites won't ask you to confirm if it's you logging in again. The performance of OpenVPN isn't anything amazing, but I never ran into issues and websites seem to load pretty quickly. It's definitely enough for regular browsing or just watching movies. And of course, I want to mention ProtonVPN. Yeah, everyone knows about Proton. It pretty much has been the king of free VPNs for quite a while, and I still believe it to be a great option, so I almost feel obligated to mention it. It has no bandwidth limit, which sets it apart from other free VPN options. And it's fast, like seriously fast. Speeds are very comparable to something like NordVPN or Surfshark, although not very consistent. Sometimes it can fluctuate a bit. However, what Proton does is it gives you a glimpse into what a truly premium VPN feels like. The interface is awesome, and while you don't get to use all of the features, you can see what you would potentially get after purchasing it. Overall, Proton offers great security, no logs policy, and is often at the very top of the best VPN lists. Personally, I really like Gaming VPN. When you combine its fast speeds and lots of locations, you can sometimes even forget that it's free. However, it does have its problems. as do all of these VPNs on this list, whether it's the speed, security, or limitations. I don't expect any free product to be perfect, but these, in my opinion, are the best options you can get without spending a dime. But cheap is always better than free, so for those who want to upgrade after trying out free options and have a couple bucks to spare, I suggest you check out Surfshark, which in my opinion is the best value VPN for your money.